Hello friends, welcome from Sirens. I am Coach Rahul Sharma and here we are gonna do drills. There are 7 drills which we need to do, and this helps into our agility, stability, movement, and it helps into the quickness of our body, right? And it helps into the various range of motion. So the first drill which we are gonna do is a high knees. High knees are very simple. You just have to keep your knees up and the knees has to come up above your waist level, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to do minimum 30 to 50 high knees. So that's the first exercise. Then the second drill is high knee kick. So when you are bringing the knee high, you have to kick and come back and down. So you have to do it like this. Kick back down, kick back down, high knee kick back down, high knee kick back down, high knee kick back down. Again you have to do 30 to 15 times of this so that your entire pelvic region start moving, the muscles start feeling. Then the third workout is high knee butt kick. So for that you need to do high knee and then butt kick. Don't do the butt kick like this, right? Don't do the butt kick like this. You have to make it in a high knee like this, and then you have to do a butt kick, right? This, like this. Again, you can do this 30 to 50 times, right? And it's a very helpful workout. Next is your locked knees, straight knee which we call. So you need to lock your knee and just be on your toes, right? So this is to be done 30 to 50 times. This is the fourth workout, right? The fifth one is your sidewalk, right? So what you do is up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, down. Now what are you doing in this sidewalk is, although there is not much space, but you are just bringing your leg up above the waist, knee is above the waistline, 1, 2, 3, 4, then you are extending 1, 2, 3, 4, then you are stabilizing 1, 2, 3, 4 and down, then coming back, doing the other leg, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, down, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, down. You need to maintain your balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, down. So both sides you do 30 side each. It's a very helpful. The next is your high jump, right? You just see the use the opposite hand for the balance. So these are the high jumps. You can do 30-50 times again. And the last one is your karaoke, which you can do, which is basically the twisting of the middle part of your. So you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So one time you are taking the left side in, the other you can do like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, like this. So these are the 7 drills which you can do 30 to 50 times each drill, and it helps you in terms of mobility, range of motions, quickness, and neuromuscular training. So thank you very much for watching. Keep watching, keep updated. I am Coach Rahul Sharma from Sirens. Thank you.